What's up guys? So today I'm in my beauty room. To start off, I'm going to be cleaning. This is more of like a motivational kind of cleaning video, so it's going to be real fast paced, just me cleaning the house. I want to cleanse it one good time before we leave on vacation. You know, that feeling of leaving a clean home to come back to a clean home after a long vacation is key. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I hope you guys find some motivation to clean either your room, your house, whatever it is, by watching this video. But nonetheless, let's just get started. I am going to start in my beauty room because, as you guys can see, I have a whole setup behind me that I need to kind of like take down, clean off my vanity area and all of that jazz. So we're going to start in here and work our way out there.
Falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter, but got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes. Down deep and under, we're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river. Swim a little deeper, I don't need to breathe with my head underwater. Not sure I really care. We're all of our demons, and they never disappear. I will forgive you if you've forgiven me. We're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river. Swim a little deeper, I don't need to breathe with my head underwater. Like the others, they do not need to know. You said you fall with me, no matter how deep it goes. With my head underwater.
Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I'm like a mess, and you you tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without me. Running fast, never look back. Now we're over, that's a fact. Phasing light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life, apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too soon to say I'm fine. Oh.